location of Antarctica. The Antarctic continent, located in the Earth's southern hemisphere, is centered asymmetrically around the South Pole and largely south of the Antarctic Circle. It is washed by the Southern Ocean, or, depending on definition, the Southern Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. Some 98% of Antarctica is covered by the Antarctic ice sheet, the world's largest ice sheet, and also its largest reservoir of fresh water. Averaging at least 1.6 km thick, the ice is so massive that it has depressed the continental bedrock, in some areas more than 2.5 km below sea level. Physically, Antarctica is divided into two by Transantarctic Mountains close to the neck between the Ross Sea and the Weddell Sea. Western Antarctica and Eastern Antarctica correspond roughly to the eastern and western hemispheres relative to the Greenwich meridian. This usage has been regarded as Eurocentric by some, and the alternative terms Lesser Antarctica and Greater Antarctica are sometimes preferred. Lesser Antarctica is covered by the West Antarctic ice sheet. There has been some concern about this ice sheet because there is a small chance that it will collapse if does not ocean levels would rise by a few meters in a very short period of time. The unique weather and climate of Antarctica provide the basis for its familiar appellations, home of the blizzard and white desert. By far the coldest continent, Antarctica has winter temperatures that range from minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, the world's lowest recorded temperature, measured at Vostok Station from Russia on July 21, 1983, on the high inland ice sheet to minus 76 degrees Fahrenheit near sea level. Flora of Antarctica. There are lichens, bryophytes, fungi, and over 700 species of algae found in Antarctic. Most of the algae are single-celled oceanic plants called phytoplankton. Two flowering plants, that is, a grass and a small cushion-forming plant, are found on the northern and western parts of the Antarctic Peninsula. Antarctic animals. The most abundant and best known animals from the southern continent: penguins, whale seals, albatrosses, other seabirds, and a range of invertebrates you may have not heard of, such as krill, which form the basis of the Antarctic food web. Most of the animals of the South Polar region are seasonal visitors. Conditions are just too hot for most animals to live there in the winter. Scientific expeditions have found valuable minerals in some of these Antarctic areas, including antimony, chromium, copper, gold, lead, molybdenum, tin, uranium, and zinc. None approach a grade or size warranting economic interest. Also, non-economic are the very large deposits of coal and sedimentary iron. Expeditions to Antarctica. It was initiated in 1981 with the first Indian expedition to Antarctica. The program gained global acceptance with India's signing of the Antarctic Treaty and subsequent construction of the Dakshin Gangotri Antarctic Research Base in 1983, superseded by the Maitri Base from 1989. The newest base, commissioned in 2012, is Bharati, constructed out of 134 shipping containers. Under the program, atmospheric, biological, earth, chemical, and medical sciences are studied by India, which has carried out by 30 scientific expeditions to the Antarctic as of 14th October 2010. The aurora australis is visible from high southern latitudes in Antarctica, Chile, Argentina, New Zealand, and Australia. A geomagnetic storm causes the auroral ovals to expand, bringing the aurora to lower latitudes. The aurora can be seen best at this time, which is called magnetic midnight. Recap of this lesson. Africa consists of a mixture of landforms such as mountains, plateaus, and plains. Australia is the largest island and smallest continent in the world. Antarctica is the southernmost and fifth largest continent in the world. The interaction of charged particles from the sun with atoms in the upper atmosphere is called aurora.